Security threats are getting more complex every day, with insider attacks and data breaches on the rise. As these risks evolve, traditional access control systems alone just aren't enough to keep your facility secure. While card handovers and impersonation can be managed, most systems still struggle to stop tailgating. That's when someone sneaks in right behind an authorized person. Plus, with stricter global data protection rules like GDPR and PCI DSs, it's more important than ever to have security systems that meet audit standards. That's why Optex developed the OV-102 anti-tailgating system. It's easy to install, integrates smoothly with your existing setup, adapts to different environments, and delivers reliable performance you can count on. The OV-102 is a camera-based tailgating detection system that determines tailgating incidents by comparing the number of authentications with the number of individuals passing from line A to line B as seen on screen. The OV-102 is designed to handle 3 main tailgating scenarios, which we'll now introduce. First, normal entry. When the number of authentications matches the number of people passing through, everything's fine. No alert is triggered. Each time a card is scanned, the authorization count goes up. When someone passes from the pink line to the blue line, the count goes down. Next, tailgating. If someone tries to slip in right after an authorized user, before the door closes, the OV-102 detects the movement and sends a tailgating alert. If the authorization count doesn't match the number of people passing through, the system triggers a tailgating alert. Then, cross-entry. This happens when an intruder tries to enter from outside by timing their move with someone who's leaving. Again, if the numbers don't match, the system triggers a tailgating alert. Finally, multiple occupancy detection. If 2 or more people are in the detection area at the same time, the system triggers a multiple detection alert. When this happens, the access control system automatically locks the door to prevent unauthorized entry and keeps monitoring the area. No one can enter until the area is clear. Even in this mode, the system continues to detect and prevent tailgating attempts. The OV-102 is already trusted by facilities around the world, from high-security sites like data centers and government buildings to everyday places like airports and 24-hour gyms. People rely on it for its reliability and performance. Want to learn more? Contact us or visit our website today.